Mamuji, 64-year-old female, room 301 with history of hypertension, post-modified radical left breast mastectomy with lymph node resection. At 3:30, patient's pain 8/10, received both acetaminophen and ibuprofen within the past 2 hours. She continued to be drowsy but rousable. Attempted PCA 6 times. She had some nausea, no emesis, and Dr. Chen discontinued dimenhydrinate and ordered to start ondansetron. Drain and dressing intact with urinary catheter to be taken out tomorrow. At 6 o'clock, patient showed signs of opioid overdose, respiratory rate of 6 breaths per minute, and although she can be roused, she falls back to sleep right away. So I stopped the PCA, give 40% of oxygen via Venturimas, and administered 0.08 milligram of naloxone. Fortunately, patient respiratory rate was stabilized at 12 breaths per minute and consciousness was restored. New order of hydromorphone 2 mg per orem every 4 hours PRN, 1 mg every 2 hours PRN in between if it does not relieve the patient. She was given 2 mg 2 hours ago and 1 mg half dose 30 minutes ago. Current respiratory rate is 16 breaths per minute, 95% on room air for the saturation, and currently awake and alert. Please continue to monitor vital signs and give the half-dose hydromorphone if not relieved.